Okay, students, today we will discuss capacitors in series because we have two combination of capacitors, one is series, one is parallel. That's what I said in last class. Today we will discuss first one, capacitors in series. Related to this one, for 3 marks you will get questions. In June 2018 also they asked, in June 2019 also the question asked for 3 marks. What is the way of asking the question? Obtain the expression for effective capacitances of two capacitors connected in series. Obtain the expression for effective capacitances of two capacitors connected in series. What is effective capacitance? Effective capacitance is that single capacitance that have the same effect as the combination has. इफेक्टिव कैपेसिटेंस एक सिंगल कैपेसिटेंस है, उतने ही इफेक्ट है, उतने ही चार्ज स्टोर करते हैं जितना कॉम्बिनेशन में कैपेसिटर्स चार्ज स्टोर करते हैं. सेम इफेक्ट देते हैं, सेम फंक्शन. Another way of asking question, June 2019, obtain an expression for effective capacitance of two capacitors connected in series. So this is a way of asking the question. Related to this, let us go for answer. What is meant by capacitors in series? How to start capacitors in series? When we have to say capacitors are connected in series? कब हम बोल सकते हैं capacitors are connected in series? Capacitors connected in series बोलना बोले तो वहाँ पे फर्स्ट कंडीशन क्या रहना? चार्ज ऑन ईच कैपेसिटर शुड बी सेम, क्यू वैल्यू सेम रहना. सेकंड क्या रहना? Potential difference should be equal to, potential difference across the combination should be equal to the sum of the potential difference across each individual capacitor. ऐसे दो कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई रहे तो ये हम बोल सकते हैं कैपेसिटर्स आर इन सीरीज. मीन्स एंड टू एंड कनेक्शन. कैपेसिटर्स आर सेड टू बी इन सीरीज when they are connected end to end between two given points so that on applying a potential difference, जब दो कैपेसिटर, दो या तीन या 30 या 300 वट एवर में बी, टू और मोर देन टू कैपेसिटर्स, वेन एवर वी वॉन्ट टू से इन सीरीज, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी कनेक्ट देम एंड टू एंड and give some potential difference by using battery. Whenever you are giving some potential difference with the help of battery, we have to satisfy these two conditions. The magnitude of charge on each capacitor should be same, Q value same रहना. Second, the potential difference across the combination is equal to sum of the potential differences across each capacitor. ये दो condition satisfy रहे तो ही हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? Capacitors are in series combination. ये दो कंडीशंस रहना, देन ओनली वी कैन से कैपेसिटर्स आर इन सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन. ओके, फर्स्ट क्या रहना? कैपेसिटर्स आर सेड टू बी इन सीरीज व्हेन दे आर कनेक्टेड एंड टू एंड, एक एंड से दूसरा एंड. पॉजिटिव ऑफ कैपेसिटर इंड्यूसेस नेगेटिव चार्जेस, नेगेटिव टर्मिनल ऑफ कैपेसिटर कनेक्टेड टू पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल ऑफ अनदर कैपेसिटर, whose negative terminal is connected to third capacitor, third capacitor negative terminal connected to positive terminal of fourth capacitor, so on and so far. ऐसा capacitors are said to be in series when they are connected end to end between two given points A and B बोलो, so that on applying a potential difference the magnitude, एक चार्ज क्या रहना? सेम रहना, और पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस क्या रहना? V is equal to V1 plus V2. ऐसा डायग्राम देखो. Here, how many points? A and B. You can see battery BA, whose potential difference is V. We have two capacitors C1, C2. How they are connected? End to end. C1 और C2 कैसे? End to end. And how much charge developed on C1? Q. How much charge developed on C2? Q. Means charge developed on each capacitor is same. Potential difference across C1 is V1. Potential difference across C2 is V2. How they are connected? End to end. कैसे? C1 में कितने प्लेट्स है? 2 प्लेट्स है. लेफ्ट साइड में आपको क्या दे रहे हैं? प्लस क्यू. राइट साइड में क्या है? माइनस क्यू. दिस माइनस क्यू कनेक्टेड टू प्लस क्यू ऑफ C2 एंड माइनस क्यू, सो ऑन एंड सो फॉर. ऐसा एंड टू एंड कनेक्शन बोलते हैं. इसी को बोलते हैं कैपेसिटर्स आर इन सीरीज. एंड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दीज टू कंडीशंस whenever you want to say capacitors are in series. First, the magnitude of charge on each capacitor is same. Two capacitors are more than two. To say in series, first of all we have to give potential difference by using battery. Whenever you give one potential difference using battery, first thing you are observing charge on each capacitor is same. Second thing, total potential difference is equal to sum of potential difference across each capacitor, that is V is equal to V1 plus V2. ये दो conditions याद रहना. First क्या है? Capacitors are said to be in series whenever we are giving potential difference. First condition we are observing is the magnitude of charge on each capacitor is same. Second, the potential difference across the combination is equal to sum of the potential difference across each capacitor. That is V is equal to V1 plus V2. What is V1? Potential difference across C1. What is V2? Potential difference across C2. What is V? Potential difference across the combination, which is equal to V1 plus V2. These two conditions must be satisfied. Then only we can say capacitors are in series. तभी हम बोल सकते हैं. Okay. You can see, dear students, this is figure 1. We have C1, C2, A and B are the two terminals. In between two terminals, we have two capacitors, C1 and C2. Charge stored on capacitor is Q. Charge stored on capacitor 2 is also Q. How much is the potential difference across C1? V1. How much is the potential difference across C2? V2. We have battery BA, plus minus. Plus is connected to left side plate of C1. Minus is connected to right side plate of C2. Okay. Plus minus. This plus end-to-end connection. When we are saying two capacitors are in series, two capacitors to say in series, they should be connected end-to-end. इसका end C2 को दे, इसका end next C3 को देते, next so on and so forth. देखो end-to-end. Why we are saying end-to-end? Plus Q minus Q. Minus Q is given to plus Q of C2. Next minus Q. अगर C3 रहे तो next ऐसे ही आते. That's why we are saying capacitors are in series because they are end to end, and to say series the two conditions must be satisfied. First of all, charge on each capacitor should be same, and total potential difference is equal to sum of the individual potential difference, that is V is equal to V1 plus V2. That's what we are saying. Okay, don't see figure 2. Figure 2 later we will see. You focus on only figure 1. Right now you focus on only figure 1. Okay, consider two capacitors of capacitances C1 and C2 connected in series, that is end to end between the 2 points A and B, and a potential difference V is applied by using this thing battery. As soon as you are applying potential difference V by using battery, this sets up a same charge on C1 and C2. जैसे ही आप बैटरी से potential difference apply करते, charge develops on C1 and C2 should be same charge develop होते because they are in series. ये basic condition है. Whenever two capacitors are in series, charge developed on each capacitor should be same. Consider two capacitors of capacitance C1 and C2 connected in series, that is end to end between A and B, and a potential difference V is applied across the combination as shown in figure 1. जैसे ही potential difference apply करते, this sets up the charge on each capacitor is the same and is equal to Q. जैसे ही बैटरी से हम यूज करके पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस ऐसा कॉम्बिनेशन में दे देते, that sets up equal charges on C1 and C2. That is here also Q, here also Q. This sets up the charge on each capacitor is the same and is equal to Q. That's why we are saying in series combination of capacitors, distribution of charges is same, that is Q is charge on each capacitor. एक एक कैपेसिटर के ऊपर चार्ज कितना डेवलप है? Q, because we applied potential difference across the combination. Now, then how much is the potential difference developed across C1? How much is the potential difference developed across C2? V1 is the potential difference developed across C1, V2 is the potential difference developed across C2. Then what is V? Potential difference across the combination. V क्या है? Potential difference across the combination. V1 is the potential difference across C1, V2 is the potential difference across C2. If V1 and V2 are the potential difference across individual capacitors, then how much is the total potential difference? V is equal to V1 plus V2. Suppose ये 10 volt है, ये 10 volt है तो ये कितना रहते? 4 plus 6 or 6 plus 4. We can't say 5 plus 5 because C1 is not equal to C2. V is equal to V1 plus V2. What is V? Total potential difference across the combination is equal to sum of the potential difference across individual capacitors. If V1 and V2 are the potential differences across individual capacitors, then total potential difference V is equal to V1 plus V2. We have one basic formula. Which formula? C is equal to Q by V. आपको मालूम है C is equal to Q by V, or V is equal to how much? Q by C. Mathematically can be write like this: C is equal to Q by V, or V is equal to Q by C. When we are writing V is equal to Q by C, then how much is V1? V1 is equal to Q by C1. You can't write Q1 by C1 because Q1 is equal to Q2 is equal to Q. यहाँ पे charge on capacitor C1, charge on capacitor C2 is Q. That's why there is no question of Q1 and Q2. We have only Q. V1 is equal to Q by C1. Similarly, potential difference across C2 is Q by C2. इसको equation 1 दो, total potential difference is equal to sum of the potential difference across individual capacitors V1 plus V2. Give it as equation number 1. Now we set up on equation V is equal to Q by C. V is equal to Q by C. Therefore V1 is equal to Q by C1. What is V1? Potential difference across capacitor 1. What is V2? Potential difference across capacitor 2. V1 is equal to Q by C1, V2 is equal to Q by C2. अभी बताया था मैं, we can't write Q1 by C1, we can't write Q2 by C2 because Q1 is equal to Q2. V1 is equal to Q by C1 using this formula. ये formula के help से, ये फॉर्मूला के बेस के ऊपर हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? V1 is equal to Q by C1. Similarly, V2 is equal to Q by C2, where V1 is equal to potential difference across capacitor C1, where V2 is equal to potential difference across capacitor C2. V1 is equal to Q by C1, V2 is equal to Q by C2. दोनों को मिला के इक्वेशन 2 दो. ये दोनों इक्वेशंस को मिला के आप एक नाम दो, इक्वेशन 2. V1 is equal to Q by C, V2 is equal to Q by C2. ये दोनों को मिला के आप क्या दो? इक्वेशन 2 बोल के दो. V1 is equal to Q by C1, V2 is equal to Q by C2. Together you give it as equation 2, substituting equation 2 in 1. Substituting equation 2 in 1 because equation 2 में आपको V1 और V2 वैल्यू मिल रहे हैं. That's why substituting equation 2 in 1. Let us see what happens. What is V1? Q by C1. What is V2? Q by C2. V1 क्या है? Q by C1. V2 क्या है? Q by C2. Therefore, Q को कॉमन ले सकते हैं क्या? Bring it outside. When you bring it outside, we have in bracket 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. V is equal to Q bracket 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. Give it as equation number 3. यह है equation number 3. What is equation number 3? We brought Q outside, then inside a bracket 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. Give it as equation number 3. This is all the explanation regarding figure 1. This is all the explanation regarding figure 1. Now go to figure 2. Now go to figure 2. What is figure 2? How many capacitor you are seeing? Only one. What is its name? CS. What is its name? CS. What is CS? Effective capacitance in series combination. That is a single capacitor who stores same charge Q on applying a potential difference V. जितना C1 और C2 मिलके जितना चार्जेस स्टोर कर रहे, अकेले CS वही फंक्शन कर रहे, वही उतने ही चार्जेस स्टोर कर रहे बाय अप्लाइंग ए पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस V. दैट्स व्हाई वी कॉल CS एज द effective capacitance in series combination that stores the same charges, same amount of charge as stored by C1 and C2 by applying a same potential difference V. जितना पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस C1 C2 को दिए तो जो चार्ज स्टोर हुए थे अकेले CS में वही चार्ज स्टोर है, उसीलिए हम CS को क्या बोलते हैं? इफेक्टिव कैपेसिटेंस. यस, A and B सेम चार्जेस Q and minus Q, and how much is the potential difference V given for CS? V. And let us see here what happens. Let the combination of capacitors A and B be replaced by a single capacitor. हम क्या करें यहाँ पे? सिंगल कैपेसिटर, दोनों कैपेसिटर है. फिगर 1 इज इक्विवेलेंट टू फिगर 2. व्हाट इज द सिंबल नेम? इक्विवेलेंट. ये सिंबल का मतलब क्या है? इक्विवेलेंट. दिस सिंबल इंडिकेट्स इक्विवेलेंट. नाउ लेट द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ कैपेसिटर्स C1 and C2. Let the combination of capacitor C1 and C2 be replaced by, let the combination of capacitors C1 and C2. C1 and C2 replaced by a single capacitor. What is its name? CS, or else we can say effective capacitance in series combination as shown in figure 2. It is the single capacitor which effectively replaces the combination so that same charge Q is stored at same potential difference V. जितना C1 C2 में स्टोर करे उतने चार्जेस CS में स्टोर करे. That's why we call CS as effective capacitance. And what is the formula for this? Let CS be the effective capacitance of series combination. What is CS? CS is the effective capacitance of the series combination. CS क्या है? Effective capacitance of the series combination. Yes, we know basic formula. C is equal to Q by V. C is equal to Q by V. Similarly, can we write CS is equal to Q by V, or V is equal to Q by CS? Basic definition: C is equal to Q by V. That's why we written CS is equal to Q by V, or V is equal to Q by CS. CS is equal to Q by V, or V is equal to Q by CS. Give it as equation number 4. अब equation 3 और equation 4 देखो. Equation 3 you written for V. आप equation 3 V के लिए लिखे. इक्वेशन 4 भी क्या लिखे? इक्वेशन 4 भी V के लिए लिए. That's why LHS of equation 3 and 4 are same. Can we equate RHS? Considering equation 3 and 4, यहाँ पे क्या करना? Considering equations 3 and 4. Considering equation 3 and 4. LHS are same. Can you equate RHS? Here also V, here also V. Can we equate RHS? LHS are same. Can we equate RHS? Considering equations 3 and 4, LHS are same. Therefore, equate RHS. RHS equate करें तो क्या होते हैं? Yes, Q by CS. यहाँ पे क्या है? Q bracket 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. Q get cancelled. Therefore, 1 by CS is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. This is the final expression for effective capacitance. यही final expression है effective capacitance when two capacitors are connected in series. This is the expression for effective capacitance when two capacitors are connected in series. This is the expression for effective capacitance when two capacitors are connected in series. How can you generalize it? अब generalize कैसा कर सकते हैं इसको? How can you generalize it? See, how can you generalize it? Now you can generalize like this. This is for two capacitors. ये two capacitors के लिए हुआ. For n number of capacitors, in general for n capacitors के लिए कैसे होते हैं? 1 divided by CS is equal to 1 divided by C1 plus 1 divided by C2 plus 1 divided by C3 plus dash 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 plus 1 divided by C1. This is the expression for n number of capacitors when they are connected in series. This is for how many capacitors? N, 1000, lakhs together you can take. 500 लो, कितने भी लो. When these kind of capacitors are connected in series, what is the general formula? 1 by CS is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3 plus so on and so forth plus dash 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 plus 1 by Cn. This is the expression for n number of capacitors are connected in series. But for examination purpose, they ask only two capacitors. One should stop here only. आप यहाँ पे ही रुक सकते हैं because this is asked for 3 marks. This is extra thing I am saying you. This is extra thing I am saying you. आप यहाँ पे एग्जाम में यहाँ पे रुक सकते हैं because they asked only for 3 marks. Obtain expression for effective capacitance when two capacitors are connected in series, so that you can stop here only. 1 by CS is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. In sentence, how can you say? Is it CS or 1 by CS? It is 1 by CS. Can you say reciprocal? Because CS numerator में, denominator में. That's why you can say reciprocal of effective capacitance is equal to, हर जगह क्या है? प्लस प्लस है. Reciprocal of effective capacitance in series combination is equal to sum of the reciprocals of individual capacitors. हम एक sentence यहाँ पे हम बोल सकते हैं. What sentence we can say? 1 by CS, 1 by. That's why mathematically can we say reciprocal? Reciprocal of the effective capacitance in series combination is equal to sum of reciprocals of individual capacitors. हम sentence में क्या बोल सकते हैं? Reciprocal of effective capacitance in series combination is equal to sum of the reciprocals of individual capacitors. Sum, everywhere you have plus. Sum of reciprocals of individual capacitors. C1, C2, C3, they are individual capacitors. That's why in general we can say reciprocal of effective capacitance in series combination is equal to sum of the reciprocals of individual capacitors. Okay, see the diagram. Okay, see it carefully. In general for n number of capacitors, this is figure 1, this is figure 2. देखो carefully देखो. This is what we are doing. Equation 3, equation 4 मालूम हो गए. This is equation 3. V is equal to Q 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2, substituting V1 V2 value. Equation 4 ये है, V is equal to Q by CS. This is for figure 1. Equation 3 हम figure 1 से बनाए, equation 4 figure 2 से बनाए. LHS are same and hence you can equate RHS. Q by CS is equal to Q 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. Q क्या हुए? Cancel हो गए. And hence finally 1 by CS is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 is the expression for 2 कैपेसिटर्स आर कनेक्टेड इन सीरीज. ये n नंबर ऑफ कैपेसिटर्स आर कनेक्टेड इन सीरीज. सेंटेंस में अभी बताया था मैं, रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ द इफेक्टिव कैपेसिटेंस इज इक्वल टू सम ऑफ रेसिप्रोकल्स ऑफ इंडिविजुअल कैपेसिटर्स. सेंटेंस में कैसा बोलते हैं आप? Reciprocal of effective capacitance is equal to sum of the reciprocals of individual capacitors connected in series. So this is what derivation important for 3 marks. You can stop here only. अब यहाँ पे रुक सकते हैं. 1/Cs is equal to 1/C1 plus 1/C2. इसको थोड़ा मैथमेटिक्स में एक्स्ट्रा लिखे तो कैसे होते? अब LCM लेके ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. For your knowledge purpose 1/Cs. इसको क्या करो? LCM C1 C2. Now C2 plus C1. थोड़ा मैथमेटिक्स में दिस इज नॉट नेसेसरी. यू शुड स्टॉप हियर ओनली. मैं एक्स्ट्रा बता रहा हूँ आपको. आप यहाँ पे रुक सकते हैं. 1/Cs एज इट इज. यू टेक LCM C1 C2 C2 plus C1 और 1/Cs इज इक्वल टू, रीअरेंज करो, C1 plus C2 divided by C1 C2. दिस इंप्लाइज दैट 1/Cs कैन यू टेक CS/1 इज इक्वल टू, यहाँ पे उल्टा होता, लेफ्ट साइड उल्टा लिया तो 1/Cs. अब यहाँ पे उल्टा लो, कितने होते हैं? C1 C2 divided by C1 plus C2. Yes. 1/Cs is equal to LCM लो C1 into C2 C2 plus C1 or 1/Cs as it is C2 plus C1 can you write C1 plus C2? C2 plus C1 you can write C1 plus C2 divided by C1 into C2. This implies that 1/Cs इसका reciprocal लो, उल्टा लो, CS/1. CS/1 left side, right side also C1 C2 divided by C1 plus C2. Can you write like this? CS is equal to C1 C2 divided by C1 plus C2. This is what final result. CS is equal to C1 C2 divided by C1 plus C2. ये नहीं लिखना. It is only for your understanding purpose. ये आपको मालूम होने के लिए. You should stop here only. Again I am saying you should stop here only. This is only for your knowledge purpose. CS is equal to C1 C2 divided by C1 plus C2. Here you have to apply your basic mathematics. Here you should apply your basic mathematics. ना कुछ भी नहीं है. CS is equal to C1 C2 divided by C1 plus C2. See it carefully and see the diagram once again. This is battery whose potential difference is V. This is capacitor C1. This is capacitor C2. Because capacitor means we have two plates. On one plate you have positive charges, another plate you have negative charges. Left side plate positive, right side is negative. Positive plate negative. Negative plate connected to positive plate of second capacitor. Negative plate of second capacitor is connected to positive plate of third capacitor. So on and so forth. That's why we are saying end to end connection. How much is the potential difference across C1? V1. How much is the potential difference across C2? V2. Total potential difference V1 plus V2. This is equivalent to, ये अलग अलग है, equivalent to अकेला एक इफेक्टिव कैपेसिटर बिठाओ CS, उन्होंने भी कितना चार्जेस स्टोर करते हैं? सेम Q. Between how which terminals A and B? How much is the potential difference applied? V. ये this is figure 2, this is figure 1. Figure 1 के लिए इक्वेशन 3 सेटअप करें, figure 2 के लिए इक्वेशन 4 सेटअप करें. ये इक्वेशन क्या था? V is equal to Q 1/C1 plus 1/C2. इसके लिए इक्वेशन क्या था? V is equal to Q by CS. For figure 1 we have equation 3. V is equal to Q bracket 1/C1 plus 1/C2. Figure 2 के लिए क्या था इक्वेशन? V is equal to Q by CS. This is all about capacitors are connected in series. Okay? This is all about capacitors are connected in series. See carefully. Each and every steps you see carefully.